Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two dash cams against each other to see which one comes out on top. On the left side of the screen, we have the 70mai Dash Cam M300, and on the right side, we have the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Let's dive in and see which one reigns supreme. When it comes to dash cams, video quality is crucial. The 70mai Dash Cam M300 boasts a 3-megapixel camera, recording in 2304 by 1296 PHD resolution. That's almost 1.5 times clearer than your standard 1080p dash cams. You'll be able to capture license plates and road signs with ease. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera. That means every vital detail on the road, including those sneaky license plate numbers, will be crystal clear. Having a wide field of view is essential for capturing all the action on the road. The 70mai Dash Cam M300 offers a 140 degrees wide-angle FOV, allowing you to monitor more lanes with fewer blind spots. You won't miss a thing. But wait, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi takes it even further with its 3-channel wide-angle lens. You'll have an expansive field of view that covers every angle. Say goodbye to blind spots. Now let's talk about those extra features that can make a dash cam stand out from the crowd. The 70mai Dash Cam M300 comes with 3D noise reduction and WDR technology. It removes unwanted pixels and balances exposure levels, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in low light conditions. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers a larger 3.3.3 view experience. Plus, it has smart voice control, allowing you to control your recorder hands-free. Just imagine saying, "Lock the video" when you want to capture an accident moment. How cool is that? Parking monitoring is a must-have feature for dash cams. The 70mai Dash Cam M300 provides a 24-hour parking monitor with its built-in G sensor. It can detect sudden shakes or collisions around your vehicle even when you're away. It's like having a silent guardian watching over your car. But hold on tight, because the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi takes parking monitoring to the next level. It offers not one, but 2 parking modes. The collision detection mode automatically activates and records a 30-second emergency video when it detects a collision while parked. And the time-lapse recording mode captures long-term videos by compressing and saving footage, even when the engine is off. The FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes the lead in most categories. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the 70mai Dash Cam M300 and the FOCUWAY Dash Cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's clear that the FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes the lead in most categories. Remember, it's important to choose a dash cam that suits your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.